A little windy out there today.
Yeah, Meredith may have been on the runway there. I'm not sure.
Most of us so lucky, though, in terms of this eclipse, just to be able to just step outside.
Oh, it's going to be so incredible.
I
cannot wait. I mean, 2 more weeks and totality over San Antonio and especially west. So if you're here and you can, go west and get to the center of the line for the most totality, because that's going to be upwards of 4 minutes of
no
totality.
Flight ticket needed. Just
no flight ticket needed. But can you believe it? 700,000 are expected to be here. Here they go.
A lot of people.
Right. Yep. Weather-wise, we've got a beautiful Friday. Now heading into the weekend, the next rain chance already in sight. Let's start with radar, which tonight is clear in San Antonio. We've got clear skies heading into Saturday morning. You can see the system that delivered the punch of strong to severe storms last night well to our east. Look at Florida getting clobbered with very heavy rain today. But I'll tell you, it's not as impressive a system on radar as it is water vapor. This is the X-ray of the atmosphere, and look at this area of low pressure. I mean, you can see that huge counterclockwise swirl, center of which is now moving across Alabama into Georgia, pulling up all that Gulf moisture, wrapping around the center, which is just now east of Jackson, Mississippi. All right, so for us, the system did us some good. Hallettsville, off to our east, 2.5 inches of rain from last night. Shiner, 2 and almost a half. We'll go with 1.25 inches at Poteet. Fredericksburg, 1.5 inches. Condalia, a little over 1 inch. Then right about 1 inch for all those communities on the right side of your screen. So now catching up for 2024, March for San Antonio. In the city, we're over 1/2 inch. And you can see February came in just under 1 inch, where January, a blockbuster month. Now look at 2024's rain gauge, 8.25, and we're pacing ahead of average by almost 3 inches. So we're still in pretty decent shape. Outside tonight, skies are clear, 65. We've got a north and northeast wind that has slowed down since Meredith's video. We've got a 52-degree dew point, which is also dropping. But that northeast breeze will continue to keep the dew points low through especially tomorrow morning. We've got 64 at Randolph, 62 out at Seguin. But overnight, it's going to get chilly. So if you're up early Saturday morning, 47 Kerrville and Bernie, 46 at Fredericksburg, 54 here in the city, 53 for Seguin. I think New Braunfels gets down to 50. Look, our next system is already in view. Here it is right here, Sunday night, Monday morning, and then we level out for several days of pretty quiet weather. Now, the humidity going into this system next week, it's climbing, but we won't see dew points in the 60s, and that can make a big difference on just how much moisture the system will have to work with. So with dew points staying in the 50s, then dropping off behind that system heading in for the 40s next week, we're not expecting a whole lot of rain. In fact, most of the rain expected East Texas, and we're on the tail end of everything. So this Sunday night into Monday morning system, looking to tally up maybe 1/4 inch. And as you go up I-35, you get up closer to 1/2 inch. So we're really not expecting a lot of rain. Remember, this is the next 7 days. And there's only really one system on the 7-day forecast. All right, let me show it to you right now. We've got tomorrow being Saturday off to a 54-degree start, then mostly sunny up to a nice mild 76. Then another cool morning. Sunday's 55 up to 75, but the clouds are moving in. So expect a mostly cloudy Sunday. Now the rain chance goes at 40% overnight heading into Monday morning. Right now the timing, we've got this system out of our way by probably 10 or 11 a.m. Monday. So it could be a Monday morning commute of a few rain showers. 77 should be the high with afternoon clearing and strong north winds. By the way, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all windy days. It's just depending on the direction. Sunday, south and southeast, then north winds Monday, Tuesday. Maybe an isolated shower Wednesday as we warm up and wrap up March.